Hey, Mr. Swift here. I'm going to show you guys how to draw CAD Block 2. So, first thing I need to do is add a new part studio, create part studio down here with the plus button, and we're going to rename that part studio Block 2 so that way I can keep track of all my blocks that I've created. Alright, Block 2. Alright, now Block 2 is a cube with a triangular prism off the side of it. So, first thing I'm going to do is sketch, and we're going to pick this top plane to sketch in. Alright, and then now after I've gotten that, I'm going to use my rectangle tool to start with my square. And again, I just pulled it out, and I will use the dimension tool to make it my perfect 1.5 centimeters by 1.5 centimeters. Alright, now I'm happy with that. I'm going to zoom in a little bit with my scroll button, and I'm going to click on the green check mark, say I'm done. Alright, now I'm going to use that extrude tool. We're going to pull that up, and we're going to pull that up exactly another 1.5 centimeters. So again, just replace the 2.5 with 1.5. Looks good to me. It's nice and precise. I'm happy with it, so I'm going to click on the check mark and move on from there. Now the next step is to draw the triangle on the side of it. Now I want you to see here that I'm right-clicking on my mouse, and I can actually move this cube around in space. So it's kind of a neat feature, and I want to show you how to navigate the space a little bit more in a few minutes. So our next step is to sketch, and we're going to pick the side of this shape to sketch on, and we're going to use that line tool to draw our triangle. So I'm going to start here at the corner, just dragging up a certain amount of distance, doesn't really matter, and drag that out to draw my triangle. Again, distance doesn't really matter, and then bring that home and close that shape. Alright, now I'll use that dimension tool as I did earlier, make that 1.0, and then click down here, make that 1.0 as well, and then I'm done with it, and it seems to be all defined, so I will click the green check mark box, and then now my next step is to extrude, so I'm going to click extrude button. Here's the shape I want to extrude, and that looks a little bit too long, so I'm going to again change this to 1.5 centimeters and hit return. Alright, so that looks pretty good to me. So I'll check it off with the green check mark box. Again, I want you to see it's a process of sketching, extruding, sketching, extruding. Alright, now that I've done that, I want to show you guys something really quick. Again, I can use a mouse to orient my world. There's also this cube over here. If you want to see the front view of it, you can. You can use these arrows. There's your top view. We can look at the left view, bottom, back, keep going around. And then if you ever want, you can click on this isometric view here and go back to your home and take a look at your isometric view of your shape. You can even use this little isometric drawing to look at it with the hidden edges, or you can see what it looks like translucently, or if you want to see, this is kind of wild, some curvature. But typically you'll just want this shaded. Alright, so in that lesson you learned how to draw the cube again and using the extrude button, and then also we started learning how to use the navigation area over here. Alright, good luck with block number 3. Hopefully you're following along and you can do finally block 3 on your own. Again, I'm creating a new part studio, renaming that block 3, and I'm keeping all my blocks here in one place. Alright, good luck, and let Mr. Swift know if you have any questions.